Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure cybersecurity policies with RSA detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring cybersecurity policies with RSA, access the RSA Security Center. Log in using your administrative credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Policies section in the main menu. Click on Add New Policy to create a fresh policy. Select the type of policy you wish to configure from the drop-down menu. Enter a descriptive name for your policy in the provided field. Include a brief description outlining the purpose of the policy. Proceed to set the policy rules by defining the required parameters. Choose the target group for this policy. Specify the enforcement level you wish to apply, such as warning or blocking. Add any necessary conditions that must be met for the policy to be enforced. In the Actions section, select the appropriate response that the system should execute. Review your configurations before finalizing the policy to ensure accuracy. Click on Save to establish the new policy. After saving, you may want to test the policy. Navigate to the Policy Testing section. Select your newly created policy and initiate a test scenario. Monitor the results to verify the effectiveness of the configuration. If adjustments are needed, revisit the policy settings. Reiterate the testing process until the desired outcomes are achieved. Once satisfied, implement the policy across the desired network segments. Regularly review and update your policies to adapt to emerging threats. Monitor compliance continuously to ensure your organization remains protected. Keep documentation of all changes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.